Coming up, we take a look at some beautiful titanium hardware for my E90 M3 Varis Diffuser. Plus, Sierra shares her story about hanging up her modeling shoes to pursue her passion in non-slip shoes and dirty hands as a mechanic.
It wasn't for me, it's too girly for me. I like hands-on stuff. I like knowing how things work and like building things.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex Ray and I am here with Sierra.
Hey guys, we're here at Total Motor Works. We have a great video for you today. We're going to be assembling Alex's beautiful Varis Diffuser all the way from Japan with some brand new titanium hardware.
Wow.
Very excited about this. So hit the like button and subscribe. Helps this guy out a lot.
I need all the help I can get, but enjoy the video, guys.
This is really cool getting to work on the titanium hardware. This is probably the first time I think I've actually worked with titanium hardware, at least this up close, and it's quite different, which is nice. It's definitely lighter, I've noticed, for sure. The finish on it is just absolutely gorgeous, though.
Yeah.
That's like, when you just look at it, that's the first thing you're gonna notice. But it's subtle enough that it's not like in your face, but it adds a nice touch to the car. And I noticed that your shift knob is titanium as well. So it's interesting to see like all the titanium tying together. And I know you have a couple things that you want to tie in with titanium in the engine bay too.
That's right, yeah. There's a couple secret hush-hush projects. Again, if you remember the video with Matt from GT Customs, the Portuguese guys, we're always thinking of cool, extravagant things. So we will be doing some pretty cool things in the engine bay to spruce it up. The E9X platform, you guys know, a lot of the engine bay gets taken up because of the actual manifold itself. So I like when things are clean, less wires, less, mayhem everywhere. So we're gonna be cleaning up a couple areas with some titanium, not only hardware, but actual canisters and reservoirs, if you will. So stay tuned for that.
Well, I think it's really cool. I love the look of it. I love the carbon, and I love the fins and everything. I love the way it's set up. It reminds me of like the Batmobile.
Yeah, the Varis Diffuser, Sierra, it's super aggressive. That was the whole reason why I went with it, was because I wanted it to be, a focal point of the rear end. It's like when you see that, it's like, whoa. It
is. It grabs your attention immediately, because you don't often see something like this on the back end of a vehicle. You'll see like a carbon trunk, carbon hood, stuff like that, or you'll even see like the wings and stuff like that, but you don't often see something like this. Or like you see a front lip majority of the time. You don't often see something like this on the back end of a vehicle.
Right. I see that you have a wrench on your arm. What's the story behind that?
Actually, it's because I started here. So my wrench I got, it's an 18 mil because I started here at Total Motor Works when I was 18 on the 18th of November, or the 18th of November, USIC hired me, and then of 2018. So 18.
Wow.
Yeah, so I got a wrench to resemble that, and then I'm going to be putting in my apprentice number inside of it.
That's so cool. And how did you know that you wanted to be a mechanic?
I always loved cars as like growing up and stuff.
But this wasn't your first field. You were doing modeling before.
Yeah, I was. A little bit of modeling, yeah. It wasn't for me, though. I did it because my mom wanted me to do it, because my mom used to model. My mom used to do a lot of modeling and like movies and stuff like that. So I did it because I'm her mini-me. So I did it to kind of make her happy and try and live a little bit of that, but it wasn't for me. It's too girly for me. I'm not a part of that kind of thing, and too much.
You like more hands-on stuff.
I like hands-on stuff. I like knowing how things work and like building things. I've always loved building things. Even from a kid, I was always building things out of wood and nails and stuff like that. Stuff that didn't become of anything, but I like building it.
Wow. And speaking of building things, you're building a truck.
It's a 2012 GMC Sierra 1500, 4.8 engine in it. It will get swapped eventually because it's very tiny right now. But
It's red too.
Yeah, it's ironic because it's a Sierra. It's a red Sierra, so it's ironic. It wasn't bought that way. I just actually really love the truck itself. It will be painted. It will look entirely different once eventually I am finished with it.
Nice.
Down to paint, everything's changing, bumpers, everything.
So you're more into trucks.
Trucks and American muscle is my big thing.
America.
I don't know why, that's always been my true love, but really anything that has a motor in it, I'm revved up about. I love it.
So how did you end up at Total Motor Works? Like, this is kind of different than what you usually like. Like, this is classic BMWs everywhere, you know?
Well, it's still along the lines of like what I want to do. So like I want to do one of a kind stuff that you never see kind of thing. So that's what I want to get into. So this is right along the lines of that, of building things that right from bottom to top, restoring it, custom things. So it works perfectly being here. So Alex, now that I have your titanium hardware installed on your lower Varis Diffuser, how do you like the end result of it?
I mean, Sierra, you did a bang up job on this, guys. Like, look at this, the purple washers with the burnt titanium finish. Again, a very special thank you goes to my good friend Rick at West Coast Fasteners. I mean, the whole purpose of this Sierra was for when people do see the lower Varis Diffuser, they're gonna see little bits of purple, and it's gonna catch their attention as to like, oh, what is that, right? I mean, no one's gonna look under the car and like on the ground, but it's gonna create some conversation, which is the whole purpose of this. And I mean, you did a great job, so thank you for that.
Thank you. I'm super excited to see once it's actually installed on the car with the rest of the titanium hardware, as well with the upper Vorsteiner diffuser. It's gonna look great. I'm super excited.
Yeah, and like once these two go together with these extra fins from the Vorsteiner upper diffuser / valence, it creates a super, super aggressive look. And
it's something unseen.
Unseen.
I'm super excited about this. Like and comment and let us know if you like this titanium hardware or not. I think it's super awesome. So,
and if Sierra thinks it's super awesome, you better think it's super awesome too. But thank you guys again for watching.
Like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Up top. All right. My name is Alex.
I'll do it again. Hang on, I dipped below. Sorry. 5, 4.
That was good too. I was like feeling it that time.
Alex, can I write the other name of that one and just like post it there so I can remember it? Yeah? Okay.
Write it ambiguous, like Vorsteiner. It's a weird.
I just need to like see the, because like.
Look at this guy. He's like, I'm here to pick up Vorsteiner from the airport.
Pretend.